You will step right foot out, and this is the fence yourself. Then spinning. So the key point is, I will turn towards the side. From low, go high. And at the end, I'm spinning the hand. This hand at the high spinning and then swirl. More like a spinning, and the wrist have a little bit of small coiling. So this clearly is protection. And turn around and reaching high. This hand help this rotation and then go low, back here again. So 3 times. This is called a yellow dragon tail, like a swirl the water. But look at this hand, more like a butterfly. This hand, the butterfly is flipping around. Okay? 3 times. You can do more, but 3 times is good enough. Then you will step back, close the fan, and pull back. This is a redirect. Step, open the fan. Protect in front of your chest. Next move, spinning. See, this hand needs to change again. One I'm holding here, this is a finger in. Then, as I spinning this fan, my finger is opened. The reason you can understand, because this is a shield, protect. This will be a knife. This is a cutting edge. You can see the reason this arm open, all open. You can cut toward their neck in self-defense. Arm is totally open. This is a close protection. Turn. Then close, step away. 蹬一根 side kick. As you kick, open. Open the fan again. See here now. Then overturn the ocean. Pop. Okay. One more time.